I'm going to take you through using the order form for HST provinces. So here on this list, I've written down 4 books that a customer has selected, and I've written down the retail price for each of those books in this first column and totaled it up on the bottom. For the next column, GST amount, and also for the HST amount column, the way I'm going to know whether a book is HST or GST payable is I take a look at the stock list that comes out once or twice a week. You can find that online. I usually open it up on my computer, and then I think it's Control F, so I can use the find feature, and I just enter the product code and it will quickly pop up the book, and there will be an asterisk next to the title of the book if it is HST payable. If there's no asterisk, then it is not HST payable. As a general rule, if the book is only meant for reading, it'll only be GST payable. But if there's, a pen because it's a wipe clean, or a car, or if there's stickers, so any book that isn't exactly just for reading, as a general rule, will be HST payable, but you can always check the stock list just to make double sure, okay? So if a book is only GST payable, I put the total amount for that book in this column. If it's HST payable, then I put it in this column, and then I total those columns up. The next thing I have here is the customer special. So I'm going to put that in, the full retail price, the total retail price. The only time there would be a difference there is if you were ordering 2, then you would double it here. Just in case you're ever wondering why that is there twice. You'll probably never have that happen. And then the discounted price, because customer specials are 50% off. And for some reason, this is called show specials. I'm not sure why. And just as a note, show specials or customer specials are only GST payable, even if they are normally HST payable books, just to add an extra level of confusion there. But that just keeps it simple for the calculations. Okay, so I just total up those columns, boom, 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 and then I get down over here. Okay, so first I'm going to figure out my total sales, which are GST payable. So I need to look at B and F. So B is right here, and F is right here. So I'm going to total those up because those are the books that we only pay GST on, and put that right there. Next, I'm going to total up the HST sales. And for that, you just look at the bottom of the HST column, and bada bing, bada boom, and you stick that in there. And then we're going to add those 2 up together. So that's your total sales. Okay, now for shipping and handling, we are going to add the A, which is our total right here. So that's all the books added up together. And we are also going to add probably E. Sorry, I can't read my page because it's too small. So where's E? There. So shipping is always based on the full value of books. So we're taking the full value here and the full value of our customer special. And we're going to add those together and times it by 10%. And that gets us $7.18 for shipping. Special delivery, we're only going to use if we're shipping it to a different address than everyone else from an order. So I'm not going to charge that. And now we're going to figure out the GST. So what gets charged GST is our total retail, our total GST sales. So that's our top column right there. So we're just going to times that by 0.05, and that gets us $1.77 GST. And now we're going to figure out the HST total. And for that, we need to add together our HST books plus our shipping and our special delivery if that was applicable. But in this case, it's just going to be our HST chargeable books and our shipping. And we add that together and times it by 0.13 to get $4.56 HST. And then we're just going to add our total cost of books plus our shipping, plus our GST, plus our HST together, and that's going to get us a total that we have to charge the customer. Also, as a side note, this number right here, that's the number that you base your commission off of, and you base the hostess rewards off of that number right there. If you have any questions, please let me know. But that is how you would fill out an HST order form.